After 60, many people start to feel subtle changes, tingling hands, stiff joints, and legs that just don't feel as strong. What if one of the biggest reasons is something no one's talking about enough? Collagen. By age 65, the body naturally loses over 30% of its collagen, the protein that supports joint flexibility, muscle strength, and nerve comfort. And yet, most people have no idea this loss is happening until discomfort starts to show up in everyday life. If you notice your knees getting tight, your grip feeling weaker, or random aches showing up without warning, this might be why. In today's video, we're going to walk through 8 vegetables that are surprisingly rich in collagen-supporting nutrients, ranked from least to most powerful. And vegetable number 3? It's shown in studies to help support cartilage repair and ease nerve-related discomfort by nearly 40% in just a few weeks. These aren't miracle cures, but they are backed by research, easy to add to your routine, and may help you feel stronger and more mobile again. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments. Are you feeling the stiffness more in your hands or your legs lately? And what's your current go-to veggie for joint or muscle health? We read and reply to every comment, and it's inspiring to hear where you're watching from and what you're going through. You're not alone, and this channel is all about real solutions that actually work. Make sure to watch all the way to the end, because each vegetable builds on the last, and the number 1 option might already be sitting in your kitchen, completely overlooked. Let's get started with vegetable number 8. Yes, it's probably already in your fridge. Number 8, red bell pepper. After age 60, your body's ability to produce collagen drops sharply, and that's where red bell peppers quietly step in as an everyday hero. Most people don't realize that this colorful, crunchy vegetable is one of the richest sources of natural vitamin C, a nutrient absolutely essential for activating the enzymes that build and protect collagen. Just half a cup of red bell pepper contains over 150% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C. And that's not just a number, it's fuel for your body's repair system. Without enough vitamin C, your collagen-producing cells begin to slow down, and your tissues, especially in the hands, knees, and shoulders, become more prone to wear and tear. Vitamin C plays 2 critical roles in the collagen story. First, it helps convert amino acids into collagen fibers that keep your skin firm and your joints flexible. Second, it acts as a shield, protecting existing collagen from breaking down due to oxidative stress, a common issue in aging tissues. Red bell peppers also contain a powerful antioxidant called capsaicin, which helps reduce inflammation around sensitive nerves and connective tissues. This is especially important if you're feeling stiffness in your fingers or that uncomfortable pins and needle sensation after sitting or lying down too long. To get the full benefit, red bell peppers should be eaten raw or lightly sautéed. Overcooking can destroy much of their vitamin C content. Try slicing them into a fresh salad, pairing with hummus, or tossing into a stir-fry at the very end of cooking. They add not just flavor, but functional power to your plate. Quick tip: add just a few slices of red bell pepper to your daily meals. It's a simple way to reactivate your body's natural collagen engine and support stronger hands, better flexibility, and healthier joints from the inside out. Up next, vegetable number 7 might be soft and leafy, but don't let its gentle appearance fool you. It's a collagen guardian hiding in plain sight. Number 7, spinach. Don't let its soft, leafy appearance fool you. Spinach is one of the most powerful vegetables for seniors looking to protect muscles, nerves, and joints. After 60, inflammation quietly builds up in your body's connective tissues, attacking the very structure that keeps you mobile and pain-free. Spinach fights back, naturally and effectively. Here's why. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, magnesium, chlorophyll, and natural nitrates. This combination not only supports your fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen, but also calms inflammation and boosts oxygen-rich blood flow to the places that need it most, like your knees, wrists, and fingers. Magnesium, in particular, is a nutrient most older adults don't get enough of. Without it, muscles cramp, nerves misfire, and joints lose their ability to recover. A 2018 study showed that higher magnesium intake helped reduce nerve pain, muscle tension, and even lowered the risk of compression syndromes like sciatica and carpal tunnel. Spinach's natural nitrates also widen blood vessels, improving circulation in the hands and legs, often the first places to feel numb, cold, or tingly as collagen breaks down. How to enjoy it? Steam it lightly, toss it into smoothies, or sauté with olive oil and garlic for a flavorful side dish. Just 1 cup a day can help restore balance to your connective tissue and support the nerves that keep you moving smoothly. Spinach isn't just a salad base. It's a green powerhouse that acts like a shield, preserving the strength and flexibility that so often fades with age. Number 6. Okra. If your knees crack when you stand or your fingers lock up when you grip, okra may be the secret your joints have been waiting for. Often skipped over due to its texture, okra is actually one of nature's best-kept secrets for collagen repair and joint comfort. The magic lies in mucilage, a thick, gel-like fiber found in okra pods. This compound acts much like synovial fluid, the natural lubricant your joints depend on to glide smoothly. As we age, this fluid thins out and collagen wears down, leading to pain, stiffness, and inflammation. But okra helps fill the gap by mimicking that lubrication and protecting joint cartilage from further damage. Even more impressive, okra contains vitamin K, manganese, vitamin C, and quercetin, a combination that stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation, and strengthens connective tissue. These nutrients don't just delay wear and tear. They actively support repair and regeneration. In a 2021 study, researchers found that regular intake of okra increased collagen density, improved cartilage recovery, and reduced inflammatory markers within just a few weeks. That's big news for seniors dealing with arthritis, aching joints, or that bone-on-bone feeling in the knees. How to prepare it? If you're not a fan of its texture, try roasting okra at high heat with a sprinkle of olive oil and sea salt. It turns crispy and delicious. You can also add it to stews, soups, or stir-fries, where its natural thickening properties enhance both flavor and nutrition. If you've been struggling with joint stiffness or nerve-related discomfort, okra isn't just a comfort food. It's a collagen-activating solution that works from the inside out. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just good for general health. It's one of the most powerful vegetables for rebuilding collagen in your joints, tendons, and ligaments after 60. If you're dealing with stiff knees, clicking ankles, or loss of grip strength, broccoli could be your body's natural fix. At the heart of broccoli's power is a compound called sulforaphane. This natural plant nutrient activates your body's repair genes, especially those linked to collagen production and cartilage regeneration. In fact, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Cellular Physiology found that sulforaphane helps fibroblasts, the cells that build collagen, recover faster and resist breakdown from inflammation. And that's just the beginning. Broccoli also delivers a 1-2 punch of vitamin C and vitamin K, along with calcium and glucosinolates. This nutrient combination supports strong bones, reduces oxidative stress in joint tissue, and shields existing collagen from wear and tear. Even your nerves benefit. Broccoli's antioxidants help protect the tiny nerve endings in your hands and feet, reducing burning, tingling, or numbness caused by damaged connective tissue. How to enjoy it? For maximum benefit, steam broccoli lightly until it's bright green. Don't overcook it. Then drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. This keeps the sulforaphane active and boosts nutrient absorption. Whether your joints are creaking or your hands feel weaker than they used to, broccoli offers more than just fiber. It's a science-backed collagen regeneration tool that supports mobility and comfort well into your 60s and beyond. Number 4. Beets. Have you noticed your legs feeling heavy, cold, or weak when you walk? That might not be a muscle problem. It could be a circulation issue. And one of the best vegetables for restoring blood flow and collagen delivery is the humble beet. Beets are packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your collagen-producing cells, especially in the knees, feet, and hands. This helps reduce stiffness, speed up tissue repair, and revive tired muscles. A 2019 study published in Nutrients showed that older adults who drank beet juice daily experienced a 21% boost in lower limb blood flow, improved walking endurance, and stronger muscle activation in the legs. But it doesn't stop there. Beets also contain betaine, a powerful anti-inflammatory, and folate, and a B vitamin critical for healthy tissue repair. Together, they reduce oxidative stress, improve healing, and protect against the silent breakdown of collagen in joints and tendons. Best ways to eat beets: roast them for a sweet, earthy flavor, or drink as fresh beet juice. Just make sure it's unsweetened. You can also shred raw beets into salads for a crunch that's as healing as it is tasty. Pro tip: pair beets with citrus fruits like oranges or lemon to enhance nitrate absorption and boost nitric oxide production even further. If your legs feel older than the rest of you or your feet tire easily, beets could help get the blood flowing, bring collagen back to life, and restore strength from the inside out. Number 3. Seaweed. If you've never thought of seaweed as a superfood for joints and nerves, you're not alone. But this ocean-grown vegetable might be one of the most underrated collagen-boosting tools for anyone over 60, especially if you're dealing with cold hands, slow healing, or weak knees. What sets seaweed apart is its extraordinary mineral content. It's rich in iodine, fucoidan, alginate, zinc, copper, and manganese, all essential for stimulating fibroblast activity, the very cells that produce collagen in your body. But there's more. Seaweed supports your thyroid, the gland that controls tissue repair speed and metabolism. Many older adults have sluggish thyroids due to iodine deficiency, which leads to slower healing, cold extremities, and poor collagen turnover. By nourishing the thyroid, seaweed helps reboot the repair cycle, from skin and joints to nerves. A study in the Journal of Marine Drugs found that fucoidan, a compound found in brown seaweed, directly boosts collagen synthesis and speeds up tendon recovery, especially in older adults. Seaweed also contains omega-3 fatty acids and natural anti-inflammatory plant sterols, which protect delicate nerve tissue and soothe inflammation around joints and ligaments. How to eat it? Try dried seaweed snacks, like nori, with no added salt or oil. You can crumble sheets over rice, mix into soups, or even blend small amounts into green smoothies for a mineral-rich boost. If you're noticing delayed recovery, stiff joints, or burning fingers and toes, adding seaweed a few times a week might be the missing piece your healing routine needs. Number 2. Asparagus. You may have had asparagus as a fancy side dish, but did you know it's also one of the most effective vegetables for collagen protection and repair? Especially after 60, when tissue breakdown often outpaces regeneration, asparagus brings powerful tools to the table. First is glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Glutathione helps defend against collagen breakdown caused by oxidative stress, inflammation, and aging. Low levels are linked to slower wound healing and increased joint wear. A 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity found that seniors with higher glutathione levels maintained stronger collagen structure, better bone density, and faster tissue repair. Next is vitamin K, which keeps calcium in your bones and out of your joints and soft tissue. After 60, misplaced calcium buildup can lead to stiffness, nerve compression, and even joint pain. Asparagus helps redirect calcium to where it belongs, protecting collagen-rich cartilage and nerve pathways. There's more. Asparagus is packed with folate, a B vitamin essential for DNA repair and cell turnover, especially in skin, joints, and nerve linings. Seniors low in folate may notice thinning skin, muscle aches, and slower recovery. And don't forget the gut. Asparagus contains prebiotic fiber, which feeds the good bacteria that help you absorb other key nutrients for collagen production, like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin C. How to enjoy it? Lightly steam asparagus for 3 to 5 minutes to retain its nutrients, or roast it in the oven with olive oil and garlic. It makes a great side for almost any meal. If you're noticing stiff joints, burning nerves, or sagging skin, adding asparagus a few times a week can help strengthen and protect your collagen from the inside out. Number 1. Parsley. Parsley is often seen as just a garnish, but it's one of the most potent natural sources of nutrients that directly support collagen regeneration, especially after age 60. Just a small handful of fresh parsley packs more vitamin C than an orange and more vitamin K than most leafy greens. These two vitamins are essential for collagen production and maintenance. Vitamin C helps your body assemble collagen fibers from amino acids, while vitamin K helps regulate calcium placement in your bones and joints. Together, they ensure that your connective tissue remains strong, flexible, and protected from unnecessary wear and tear. But parsley's power doesn't stop there. It contains apigenin, a natural flavonoid known to reduce inflammation in collagen-producing fibroblasts. For seniors dealing with chronic joint or nerve discomfort, this anti-inflammatory effect can be a game-changer. Apigenin calms tissue breakdown, helping preserve the structure that supports skin, tendons, and nerves. Parsley also increases glutathione levels, your body's master antioxidant. Glutathione clears toxins and supports detoxification pathways that protect collagen from being degraded by oxidative stress. This means that parsley doesn't just help build collagen, it helps your body protect what you already have. Because it's so nutrient-dense, you don't need a lot to see results. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley daily can make a meaningful impact. Sprinkle it over eggs, blend it into smoothies, toss it into salads, or mix into soups and roasted vegetables. If your joints feel stiff, your hands tingle, or your skin isn't bouncing back like it used to, parsley could be the missing ingredient your body needs. It's more than a garnish. It's a medicinal herb hiding in plain sight. Let's recap. The 8 vegetables we've covered aren't just good for you. They're tools your body can use to rebuild its collagen network, protect your nerves, and restore healthy circulation. From parsley and spinach to seaweed and okra, each one offers something unique. Some improve blood flow, others repair joint tissue, and many reduce the inflammation that silently breaks down your collagen as you age. The best part? You don't need fancy powders, expensive supplements, or drastic interventions. You simply need to add the right vegetables to your plate every day. Start small. Pick one vegetable from this list and make it part of your daily routine. Once that feels easy, add another. Over time, these simple choices can lead to noticeable improvements in your mobility, energy, and comfort. Now I want to hear from you. Are your symptoms showing up more in your hands or your legs? Drop your answer in the comments. We're replying to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We're sharing senior health tips every week. They're practical, natural, and science-backed. Don't forget to share your experience with these vegetables in the comments too. Your story might be the one that helps someone else take the first step. Remember, your body hasn't given up. It's simply waiting for the right support to heal. Let's start rebuilding together.